All right, today we're going to do a brief demonstration on how to connect the new Neutron module to the DMC 3000. The DMC 3000 can accept several modules, including the telemetry, beta, and the Neutron module. Today we'll show you how to connect the Neutron module seamlessly to the back of the DMC 3000. Step 1 is to remove the battery cover of the DMC 3000, which you do with these two screws here at the rear of the dosimeter. Once the battery cover is removed, just verify that the dosimeter has a telemetry connector which allows it to interface with the modules. You can see the telemetry connector on this version of the dosimeter. So, the next step is to take your Neutron module. You can see here that it has a raised Mirion button on the front that allows it to make a watertight seal with the dosimeter. You simply turn over, connect with the groove on the front of the DMC 3000, and then depress the Mirion button on the front. The last step is to attach these screws at the rear. Once connected, you simply hold down the plus button on the DMC 3000 for 3 seconds. The dosimeter will say enter and push the minus button. You'll then be able to see that the dosimeter says the HP10 and then the neutron symbol, which you can then switch through and see the neutron dose, the neutron rate, as well as the gamma dose and the gamma rate. So this is how you easily connect the Neutron module to the DMC 3000.
For further assistance, please call 1-800-255-6370.